After reading this article, it basically summarizes that COVID-19 isn't just a respiratory illness, but a vasculatory illness. We found that COVID infects the endothelial cells of the body. Endothelial cells make up the full, complete circulatory system from head to toe. If an endothelial cell becomes inflamed, it can cause a blood clot. That blood clot can in turn go into the heart, cause a heart attack, or it can cause a stroke. Other things that we've observed with endothelial cells is when they have been infected, it in turn infects another endothelial cell and then can spread throughout the body, causing a cytokine storm. And that's why typically we find that people with pre-existing conditions like hypertension, hyperlipidemia, diabetes, and heart disease have a higher prevalence of having a more severe reaction to COVID because of the response that those endothelial cells give us when they're inflamed. Now, one thing that endothelial cells, when they become inflamed and then in turn inflames a particular blood vessel that might contain plaque, that plaque can become dislodged and enter into the heart, causing a heart attack or stroke. Sometimes we see pulmonary embolisms that causes right-sided heart failure. And we have found that using statins or ACE inhibitors help to stabilize that plaque within the blood cells, and it helps to lessen the severity of the COVID inflammation that's occurring. Now, we definitely have to think a little bit differently about COVID, that it's not just a respiratory illness, that it is a vascular type of virus as well. And we have to treat it with different type of therapies that can help stabilize people with other pre-existing health conditions like high cholesterol or heart disease. So it's a very interesting article, and it explains the findings very, very well.